I wanted to make a special video about the S9 camera performance. The rear camera has only one camera, but it's worthy. It's 12 megapixels with variable lens aperture from 1.5 to 2.4. It has a wide angle, 26 millimeters in 35 millimeters turns, aspect ratio. And basically photos you get from this phone are the highest quality you can find on smartphones these days. Pictures are very well exposed, they have good dynamic range, and they have extremely good sharpness on details. Pictures are a bit better than I'd say than on iPhone X, and they're really a lot better than on Huawei P20 and P20 Pro. You can just see the leaves on the trees, they're green, like you can touch them. The sky has the real blue color that you see with your own eyes, so it's just awesome, the dynamic range. In low light, by night, you can see that it has a great autofocus. The exposition is pretty fast, the details are sharp, and the exposition is, as I said, fast and awesome. So you get all the details, even if the objects on your camera are moving, or even if you move the camera. The noise is very little, it's almost, you cannot see the noise, and still these are very good photos in low light conditions. Specialty of this camera are the video functions. It can record 4K video with 60p, which is very rare on smartphones today. You can shoot full HD 1080p video with astonishing 240 frames per second, and you can shoot regular HD video 720p at 960 frames per second, which is totally awesome for slow motion videos. If you want to do super slow motion videos, S9 will be the true and the best camera compared to more advanced compact cameras. Quality of the picture in daylight and low light is very well stabilized, and it's clean, so it's a great video. Front camera has 8 megapixels with 1.7 aperture, 25 millimeters in 35 aspect ratio. Face on selfies has sharp details, and the background is still visible pretty good. It's not overexposed as on other phones. When you reduce these pictures to 2 megapixel, as you see them now on YouTube, they look pretty good, pretty realistic, and they're just awesome. In low light, selfies are pretty bright compared to what you see with your own eyes, but on details there is a lack of sharpness. Again, when you reduce pictures to 2 megapixels, as you see them right now on YouTube video, they look pretty good. Video from the front camera is very well stabilized, the picture is sharp, it's clean, it goes up to 2K resolution, which is a little bit above Full HD. And great video from the front camera, and in low light you get a pretty usable video. Details are a little bit blurry, but still this is probably the biggest or the highest quality you'll get from the front camera in low light. In the end, I should say that on Samsung for a longer time, from I think Galaxy S4, you can shoot both with front and rear cameras in the same time. In the end, these are the best cameras on smartphones. They're slightly better than on iPhone X in my opinion, and better than Huawei P20, P20 Pro models. So if you're into camera, you should definitely buy the S9 or S9 Plus, which is even better.